Hello, all young wonders. I hope all of you had a blast of a day. So, here we are with yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders. And today we are doing the sprint for grade 7th, the most important chapters, fractions and decimals. Let us get started with the session, but a quick dose of motivation. A little progress each day adds up to a big result. ऐसा नहीं कि आज उठ के I'm going to watch all Haripriya ma'am sessions and I'll score 100 upon 100. No, take small steps every day. Watch videos, start practicing, do sample papers, do previous year questions, watch Haripriya ma'am's video again. So do this little progress every day, and it will make, I'm telling you, it will just do wonders at achieving your success and big results at the end of the day, right? This is your master teacher Haripriya, and I am here to make maths easy peasy for all of you. Before we get started, do not forget to like this video. अभी के अभी जाके अपने सारे दोस्तों को भी बुला ले आओ. I can see a lot of you guys are on time. That is amazing. Very appreciable. Very nice. Awesome. Hi HR Gamer. Hi Shivansh. New student. Welcome. Hi Isha. Hi Priya. Hi Soumya. Hi Samia. Hi Priya. Hi Shreya. I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. चलो, let us get started because ये थोड़ा lengthy chapter है and बहुत ही ज़्यादा important chapter है because last में जो topics है division of decimals, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग अटक जाते हैं, है ना? So I'm going to give you a lot of tips and tricks. So watch this video till the end and how to do division of two decimals. ये सब कुछ मैं आपको बता दूँगी, ठीक है? Okay. चलो, let us get started with the first topic of the chapter, which is our hero fractions और हमारी heroine decimals. ठीक है, तो हीरो के बारे में बात करते हैं. So hero is always of the form what? P by Q, where P is called as the numerator and Q is the denominator. तो ये जो P by Q है, इसको हम fractions बोलते हैं, which represents the part of the whole. More generally, any number equal to the part. Now, यहाँ पे this entire circle is divided into 4 equal parts. So, as you can see, 2, 3 and 4. But only one out of the 4 parts are colored in blue, right? So, this 1 by 4 is a fraction. 1 is a part of the whole, which is a circle divided into 4 equal parts. Ma'am, you're looking so happy today. I am happy. I don't know why, but I am happy. Difference between rational number and a fraction. But rational numbers can have negative numbers as well. But fractions में you can't have negative numbers. It are only positive. Rational numbers में it can be positive or it can be negative. ठीक है? हम वो भी सीखेंगे. रैशनल नंबर्स तो हमने सीख लिया था ग्रेड 7 में. ग्रेड 8 में यू विल लर्न इट अगेन. डोंट वरी. मैम, आपने तेलुगु क्लासेस करते हो? हाँ, मैं करती हूँ तेलुगु क्लासेस. वेदांतु तेलुगु चैनल में मैं वहां पे 9th and 10th को पढ़ाती हूँ. ठीक है? थैंक यू श्रेया. चलो. Ma'am, I didn't get the notification of the session. No problem, Kanika. You are right here, right on time. Very good. Chalo. Now, 4 is the numerator and 6 is called as the denominator. Now, what are the different types of fractions? ये तो हमने 6th class में ही पढ़ लिया था. Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Proper fraction में the denominator is greater than the numerator. Improper fraction में the numerator is greater than the denominator. And mixed fraction is a mixture of a whole and a part. उसके बाद आता है हमारा mixed fraction to improper to mixed fraction, right? Now, what is an improper fraction? Where the denominator is greater than the numerator. तो ये जो 7/3 हमारे पास जो fraction है, it is improper. Why? Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. है ना? तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will normally go and divide like how we divide two numbers. ठीक है? ऐसे 3 into 1 will be 3. 3 into 2 will be 6, which is slightly less than 7. 3 into 2 is 6 and the remainder is 1. So how do you convert this 7 by 3? You can write 7 by 3 as the remainder here will become the numerator and this becomes the coefficient. The coefficient becomes the whole number, the remainder becomes the numerator. चलो मैं एक और एग्जाम्पल दूंगी यहाँ पे. Let's take 11 by 7. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है? सेम टू सेम यू हैव टू स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग. 7 into 2 is 14 which is greater than 11. तो इसीलिए we will do 7 into 1 which is 7. Now 11 minus 7 will give you 4. तो हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? जो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर है उसको आप डिस्टर्ब मत करो, वो DND मोड में है, डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब. ठीक है ना. ये जो आपका रिमाइंडर है इसको आप न्यूमरेटर में डाल दो और ये जो आपका कोशिएंट है दिस विल बी द होल नंबर. So 11 by 7 can be written as 14 by 7. Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. समझ आया, मजा आया, yes or no? समझ आया, मजा आया, yes or no? रिमाइंडर थ्योरम या यूक्लिड्स लेमा वो सब अलग है. ठीक है. All the best, Surya. I hope whatever you receive will be the best decision for you. ठीक है? Don't forget that. Hi, Bhavishya. I remember you. I remember you. You're the future. Priya, आपका डाउट क्या है भाई? You can ask me. Awesome. Ma'am, does all mixed fraction is improper fraction? Yes. Every mixed fraction will only convert into improper fractions only. ठीक है? VQuiz होगा. VQuiz होगा. ठीक है? Okay? चल. So we have seen how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. है ना? तो एक mixed fraction को improper में कैसे convert करें? तो we have 3 1 by 5. So you multiply the 3 and 5, it will become 15. 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. So this is how you convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. समझ आया? Yes. Your name is Ram. Okay, Ram. Very good, very good. मैम improper fraction में कैसे mixed fraction में कैसे लिखें? अभी तो मैंने समझाया था प्रिया, दो एग्जाम्पल्स देखे. ये देखो, ये एक improper fraction है, इसको नॉर्मली डिवाइड करो. डिवाइड करने के बाद जो आपका डिनोमिनेटर है वो सेम रखो, उसको डिस्टर्ब मत करना. जो आपका रिमाइंडर है वो बन जाएगा आपका न्यूमरेटर यहाँ पे. ठीक है, मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर बन जाएगा और ये जो आपका कोशिएंट है ना ये आपका मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन का होल नंबर बन जाएगा. ठीक है. ओके. Samya Sharma, I've already told you the definition of fractions, bacha. It is a part of a whole. It is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are whole numbers. Q is not equal to 0. ठीक है? Okay. Now, let us talk about equivalent fractions. Equivalent का मतलब क्या होता है? Equivalent is equal to each other, right? So when do you say that two fractions are equivalent? When they are equal. पर equal कैसे? ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि they are equal to each other? तो मैंने यहाँ पे लिया 2 by 4 and 5 by 10 and I'm telling that they are equal. क्यों? क्योंकि when I simplify them further, both of them are equal to the same fraction 1 upon 2. है ना? So after simplifying, if the two fractions are being equal to a same fraction, you can say that they are equivalent fractions. Now, agar question ऐसा है, find 3 equivalent fractions of 3 by 4. तो आप क्या करोगे? First take your 3 by 4, multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. So, the other fraction is 6 by 8. Take your 3 by 4, multiply with any number. I'll multiply with 11. 33 by 44. So, that is another equivalent fraction to 3 by 4. ऐसे you can multiply the fractions in the numerator and denominator of the fraction with any number, whatever you want you can multiply, but it should be the same number. Numerator में और denominator में same number होना चाहिए जो आप multiply कर रहे हो. So 15 by 20. So all of these fractions here are equivalent fractions. Now, how to get an equivalent fraction? I've already told you. The first method is multiply the fraction with the same number on numerator and denominator. Or sometimes you might have to divide the fractions with the same number on numerator and denominator to get the equivalent rational number. ठीक है, कभी कभी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है और कभी कभी डिवाइड करना पड़ता है, बट रिमेंबर इट शुड बी डन विद द सेम नंबर ऑन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ हाउ डू वी ऐड फ्रैक्शंस? ये हमने जब हम थे 6th क्लास में तब सीख लिया था, तो आई एम गोइंग टू गो रियल फास्ट हियर. एडिशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. नाउ फ्रैक्शंस में दो प्रकार के फ्रैक्शंस है. एक है हमारा लाइक फ्रैक्शंस जिनके डिनोमिनेटर्स आर द सेम, and the next one we have unlike fractions. ये जो like fractions है ये बहुत ही अच्छे बच्चे हैं because they are very easy to handle, है ना. So here the the 1 by 7, 3 by 7 दोनों के denominator same. तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Keep the denominator as it is and you only add your numerator. So the answer is 4 by 7. Okay. Now what if you have unlike fractions? तब आप क्या करोगे? You will take the LCM of the denominators. Take the LCM of the denominators and convert both of them into the same denominator. तो ये क्या हो गया आपके? Like fractions. So you add the numerator. ठीक है? Now grade 7th में हमने कुछ नया सीखा, which is multiplication and division. Addition and subtraction we have already done. If they are like fractions, keep the denominator as it is, add and subtract your numerator. If they are unlike fractions, then you take the LCM of the denominators, convert them into the same denominator, and then you subtract your numerators. अब 3 by 12 आने के बाद please make sure that you are cancelling it and writing it in the simplest form. ठीक है? Okay. If the denominator is different, we need to take the LCM. Yes, Vedavyas, you are right. Hi, Simi. I'm doing great, bacha. How are you? Menti Priya Sharma थोड़े देर बाद. After we complete all the concepts, उसके बाद menti होगा. ठीक है? Okay. Samya Sharma, you can do cross multiplication also, but अगर 4 mark question आ रहा है तो please LCM method करना, ठीक है? Do the LCM method. Hi Shruti. चल, how do we multiply fractions? Now guys, कैसे भी हो fractions, ठीक है? For example, you're taking two fractions, 8 by 11 multiplied with 4 by 16, ठीक है? तो आपको क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर विद द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विद द डिनोमिनेटर. अब देखो कि ये न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या कुछ कैंसिल हो सकता है क्या? तो क्लियरली यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो सकता है. 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 2. So the answer is 2 by 11, right? So when you are multiplying two fractions, you have to multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Whole number हुआ तो क्या करेंगे? 8 multiplied with 7 by 16 अगर हुआ तो क्या करोगे आप? 8 को हम लिखेंगे 8 by 1. उसके बाद स्टोरी सेम है. Now multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. 8 into 1, 8 into 2. So the answer here is 7 by 2. ठीक है? Now comes our mixed fraction multiplied with a whole number. So जब भी आप mixed fraction देखते हो, don't panic. First convert your mixed fraction into a improper fraction. So ये जो 2 1 by 3 है, when you convert 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 3 multiplied with 7 by 1. Multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So it is 49 by 3. Understood? This is how you have to deal with mixed fractions. अगर आपके पास दो mixed fractions है तो आप क्या करोगे? Same, convert both the mixed fractions into improper. एक सवाल करके देखते हैं, ठीक है? ये लो 1 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 1 by 5. तो हमने पहला स्टेप क्या किया? We have converted them into improper fraction. 3 into 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 by 2 multiplied with 5 into 2 10 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. यहाँ पे कुछ कैंसिल हो सकता है क्या न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में? Nothing, no common numbers, right? No common factors. So 33 by 10 will be the answer. Okay, very good. I can see a lot of you answering it. Very nice. Now let's talk about reciprocal. Reciprocal मतलब न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर बन जाएगा और डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो न्यूमरेटर बन जाएगा. So 3 by 4 का reciprocal क्या होगा? It will become 4 by 3. 7 by 11 का reciprocal क्या होगा? 11 by 7. ठीक है? तो पर हम reciprocal क्यों सीख रहे हैं? Because we need that when we are doing division of two fractions or one whole number or a fraction and a whole number या two mixed fractions. जो भी combination आप लोगे उसमें से you will need to understand the concept of reciprocal. Why? So I am dividing 5 divided by 30 by 36 है ना? तो 5 को हम लिख सकते हैं 5 by 1. So divided by 30 by 36. Now when you are dividing two fractions, ये जो पहले फर्स्ट वाला फ्रैक्शन है ना इसको ऐसे ही लिखो, डोंट डिस्टर्ब. सो 5 by 1. नाउ 30 by 36 को आप रेसिप्रोकेट करो, इट विल बिकम 36 by 30. Okay, and change your division sign to multiplication. 5 into 1, 5 into 6. 6 into 1, 6 into 6. There you go. Answer is 6. ठीक है? Hi Vartika, how are you? Right? So this is how you are going to divide fractions. How do you divide a whole number, fraction by a whole number? तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? The first fraction will be as it is. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. तो इसका reciprocal क्या होगा? 1 by 3. And then change the change the division sign to multiplication. Multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Follow the KCF rule. KFC तो सबको पता है ना? तो follow the KCF rule. What is that? Keep. KCF is keep, change, flip. ठीक है? Keep the first fraction as it is. Change your division sign to multiplication sign. Flip मतलब reciprocate your second fraction. That's it. Easy peasy. Hi. Best of luck, Simi. All the best. Very good HR gamer. Keep, change and flip. तो यहाँ पे भी क्या करोगे आप? Keep 1 by 4. Change your division sign to multiplication sign and flip मतलब reciprocate 5 by 4, it will become 4 by 5. Multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. तो ये 4 cancel हो जाएगा, तो आपके पास रहेगा 1 by 5. Yes. Now comes our decimals. Decimals are used to express non-whole or a non-integer part of a quantity. मतलब a part which is not an integer and which is not a whole number. तो ये जो 17.591 है, it's a decimal number. Why? Because it has a whole number part and it has a decimal part and a decimal point. Whole number part and decimal part and decimal point. So the first digit after the decimal point is 5. right? So what is the place value? 1/10. 9 is 100th. 1000 is 1000th. 7 will be units. Ones or units is the same. Tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. ठीक है? तो जब place value chart की बात होती है decimals की, after the point, the place value will become 1/10th, 100ths, 1000s and so on. जो THs add हो जाता है. ठीक है? This is something you will have to remember. And how did we do addition and subtraction of decimals? We converted both of them into same like decimals, having the same number of digits after the decimal point, and then we normally added like how we add any other numbers. But यहाँ पे we have to keep these decimals intact, है ना? Subtraction के लिए भी same तरीका है. You have to convert both the decimals into like decimals and then add or subtract. ठीक है? जाकिया का बर्थडे आज. हैप्पी बर्थडे जाकिया, हैप्पी बर्थडे. नाउ कम्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ डेसिमल्स. मैं बहुत ही आसान वो टिप देती हूँ यहाँ पे. Whenever you are multiplying decimals, forget that they are decimal numbers. So when you are multiplying 73.24 with 5.1, multiply 7324 with 51. फर्स्ट ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर दो. ठीक है? ये वाला मल्टीप्लीकेशन तो हमें आता है ना? तो जो भी आंसर आएगा, यहाँ पे आ रहा है 737524. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे देन पुट योर डेसिमल नंबर, देन पुट योर डेसिमल पॉइंट्स. हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट? 2. हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट? 1. So totally it is 3. So move 1, 2, 3 and place a point. So the answer is 373.524. ठीक है? Okay everybody? Okay, this is how you multiply. Now multiplication with 10, 100, 1000 ये कैसे करें? Multiplying a decimal with 10, 100,000. So basically, whenever you are multiplying, you move the decimal point towards the right. Mr. MR, है ना? तो MR, multiplication, move the decimal point to the right side. But how many digits? As you can see, there is 1 0. So you move the decimal point by 1 digit. So it will become 56.0. 0.47 multiplied with 10. Move the decimal point with only 1 digit. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे you only have a single 0. So you move the decimal point towards the right side by only a single digit. So it will become 4.7. Now you move 1 digit. What will be the answer, guys? You tell me. You tell me in the chat box. यहाँ पे क्या होगा answer? What will be the answer? Sachin का भी बर्थडे है. वाह, exactly, very good Shivansh. We have 960.35. Very good, very good. So now when we are multiplying with 100, how many zeros do we have? 2 zeros. So we have to shift the decimal point towards the right side. Multiplication by powers of 10. Powers of 10 का मतलब क्या है? 10, 100, 1000 and so on. You move towards the right side. So here you have 2 zeros. So you will move 1 digit and 2 digit. So वो second digit नहीं है, इसीलिए we're putting a 0. ठीक है? I will explain this again. Suppose you have 0.71. Okay, let me take. Acha, 0.7 multiplied with 100. Now 100 has how many digits? Sorry, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So what will happen? You will move 1 digit. You have to move another digit also. So move another digit. But यहाँ पे digit नहीं है, इसीलिए we're putting a 0. So it will become 70.0. If you are multiplying by thousands, you will move 3 digits towards the right side. 1, 2 and 3. So So it will become 6,710. Here also 1, 2, 3. 13,528. ठीक है? Now division of decimals by 100. So for division you move towards the left. MR multiplication right. DL division left. इसका मतलब क्या है? Now here you have 71.6 by 10. You have only one zero in the denominator, है ना? So you move the decimal point towards the left side by one digit. It will become 7.16. You have 923.07 by 10. So what will this become? 92.307. You move the decimal point towards the left side. Now here you have 5.4 by 100. So you move 1 and 2 digits. So since you do not have the second one, you put a 0. So it will become 0.054. There you go. Okay? So remember, when you're dividing, you move the decimal points towards the left side. And when you're multiplying, you move it towards the right side. And then comes our decimal division. So इसमें decimal division में you divide a decimal by a decimal by a whole number, or a whole number by a decimal. These are the three possibilities. Or you divide a whole number by a whole number. I would say 4 possibilities. Now, in these 2 possibilities, you have a decimal in the denominator. Whenever you see a decimal in the denominator, convert that into a whole number by multiplying with either with 10, या 100, या 1000, या 10,000 and so on. Okay. Now यहाँ पे I am dividing 14.49 by 4. Right? This is the dividend. This is the divisor. How do we go about with the division? You're dividing a decimal by a whole number. This is 14.49. So 4 into 3 will give you 12. जैसे हम normal division करते हैं ना, वैसे ही करने का है. So 14 minus 12 will give you 2. Now you're bringing down a number after the decimal point. So immediately keep a decimal point. 6 into 4 will give you 24. तो यहाँ पे ऐसे छोड़ मत देना कि यहाँ पे हो गया है खेल खत्म because you got the remainder 0. No, you still have another number 9. 4 into 2 will give you 8. The remainder is 1. Again, यहाँ पे आप रुकेंगे. Either you can stop here if you want to, and you can say that it is approximately equal to 3.62. If you want another number, then what will we do? Just add zeros here. You can add any number of zeros at the end. है ना? The value will not change. So what will happen here? You bring down your 0. 4 into 2 will give you 8. And then 2 is the remainder. You bring down your 0. 4 into 5 will give you 20. Leaving the remainder 0. समझ आया? Now this is exactly equal to 3.6225. ठीक है? Now you saw how to divide a decimal by a whole number. Now what if you have a decimal by a decimal? So as I told you, the first step of yours should be converting the decimal in the denominator into a whole number. है ना? So what is that you have here? 0.5 divided by 0.25. So you multiply with 100. Why? Because only when I multiply my 0.25 with 100, I will end up getting a whole number. इसीलिए मैंने न्यूमरेटर को और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मैंने 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. समझ आ रहा है बच्चा पार्टी? Yes, everybody is understanding. Guys, do not forget to hit the like button. Like button दबाना मत भूलना भाई. Ma'am, should I go to quota for class 9th or NEET? I am in class 8th now. भाई भविष्य आप NEET के लिए जाओ है ना. class 9th के लिए you have enough resources. So I feel that way. You can ask your parents as well. ठीक है? Okay. Now, dividing a decimal by a whole number here. तो क्या होगा? Same. 20 into 0 will give you 0. 20 into 0 will give you, so you'll have 16. You will bring down a number after the decimal point. So we will immediately keep a number. 8 into 2 will give you 16 here. अच्छा, ये थोड़ा गलत हो गया. I am going to explain it. Please carefully listen here. You have 20. ठीक है. Actually हम ये 20 को 2 भी कर सकते हैं. I don't know why we are doing it as 20, but ठीक है. 16.64 है ना. 20 into 0 will give you 0. The remainder is 16. You're bringing down a number after the decimal point. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? Immediately keep a decimal point here. Okay. So 160. So 20 into 8 will give you 160. Actually ये सही था. ठीक है. Anyways, 6 and you're bringing down your 4. 20 into 3 will give you 60. You're getting 4. So I can still add zeros here, no? So I'll bring down my 0. 20 into 2 will give you 40, leaving the remainder 0. When is your birthday? Simi, my birthday is in November. ठीक है? November 15th. Very good everybody. Let us answer a few questions here. Multiply the following. 3 multiplied with 5, 1 by 5. 5 into 5, 25. 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. So what should we do? Multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. There is no cancelling here, right? So 78 by 5. Leave it here. Okay, you can convert this into mixed fractions also. Same story for option number B also. Multiply the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. If you are getting an improper fraction, which you will, you should convert that into a mixed fraction. The next question. Each side of a regular polygon. Each side of a regular polygon is 2.5 centimeters in length. If the perimeter of the polygon is 12.5 centimeters, how many sides of a polygon do we have? Now, perimeter of a regular polygon. So, regular polygon का क्या होगा यहाँ पे? All the sides are equal to each other. So, the perimeter क्या होगा? What would be the perimeter? Number of sides multiplied by the length of each side, which is given to be 12.5. So, what will be the value of n? 12.5 divided by 2.5. So you have to convert the decimal into a whole number. So 125 by 25. Very good. I can see a lot of people giving the correct answer. Very nice, Bachawadi. Very nice. So yes, the correct answer is 5. Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams of apples, 2 kg 250 grams of mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 grams of orange and 4 kg 150 grams of bananas. So basically, we have to convert the grams to kg. So guys, what do we have? 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. So your 300 grams will have how much? 300 by 1000, which is 0.3 kg. So Shama ne 5.3 kgs of apple, 3.250 kgs of mangoes kharida. So when you add them, 0, 5, 5, point and 8. Hera? Hera? And then we have Radha. नहीं, सरला था ना? I'm so sorry. राधा कहाँ से आ गया? अच्छा, सरला has, you already got the answer. Very nice. Sarla. Sarla को क्या हुआ? 4 kg and 800 grams. So 4.800. 4 kg and 150 grams is 4.150. 0, 5, 9, point and then 8. So the first, how do you compare? 8, 8, same. 5 and 9. So 8.950 is greater than 8.550. Okay? Yes, so Sarla has bought more fruits than Shama. The total weight of some bags of wheat is 17, I guess that is 17 point, oh no, is 1743 kg. Each bag weighs 49.8 kg. How many bags are there? Total weight of the bags divided by the weight of each bag will give you the number of bags. So नीचे यहाँ पे हमारे पास है denominator. So हमें क्या करना चाहिए? You have to convert that denominator to a whole number. So I will multiply with 10. So you have 17430 by 498. And then we are going to proceed with our usual division. So the answer will be 35 bags. Specs पहन लो, अच्छा ठीक है. Thank you for reminding. I forgot about that. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Next question. How many buckets of equal capacity can be filled from 586.5 liters of water if each has capacity of 8.5 liters? Guys, यहाँ पे क्या करना है? यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे ये बता दो मुझे. मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइड, एड, सब्ट्रैक्ट, क्या करोगे आप? Quick, quick, quick. Oh my god, oh my god, very good. I can see a lot of you people giving answers also. Guys, it is just division. So 585.5 divided by 8.5. So to remove the decimal in the denominator, we multiply the numerator and denominator with 10. So 5865 divided by 85. How many buckets can we fill? We have 69 buckets. ठीक है? चलो प्रिया आपने बोल दिया और क्विज ऐसे आ गया है. ठीक है? So come on guys, the link is in the description box. You can use the code 228169. So how can you go? Okay, first let me present the screen here. ठीक है? So what you can do is go to the Young Wonders video that you're watching right now, जो हमारा live video है. पहले तो उसको like कर देना, ठीक है? 47 people are watching. I need 47 likes here. I need you guys to mark attendance. ठीक है? तो उसके बाद यहाँ पे आपको VQuiz का लिंक दिख रहा होगा. यहाँ पे देखो VQuiz लिंक है. Click on that link. ठीक है? Click on that link and that's it. You will be here. हाँ क्या? And there you go. ठीक है? चलो 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 आ जाओ आ जाओ. Use the code 228169. Quick, 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 everybody. Quick, quick, quick. 22 people. Okay, I will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go. Quick, quick, quick. Okay, okay, awesome, awesome. The timer's gonna end. It's a very easy question, guys. Super easy question. That is a time up and majority of you have got the correct answer. You're multiplying with 100. So you have to move the we have to move the decimal towards the right side by 2 units. So it is 60. It will become 60. And let us look at the leaderboard here. We have Vikyat, Abhishek, Bhavishya, Mayank, Manya, Arpita, Bhavesh, Kanishka, Vishrut and Kritishna. Very good. The second question's on your screen, everybody. Five, four, three, 2, 1. A lot of correct answers in the live chat. Also very well done. Use the KCF rule. Keep the first fraction 5 by 1 as it is. Change your division to multiplication and flip your 5 by 2. It will become 2 by 5. So the answer to 5 will get cancelled. It is 2. Let's look at the leaderboard. We have Bhavesh, Mayank and Vikyat in the top 3. Then we have Kritishna, Bhavishya, Rishi, Kanishka, Krishna, Rudransh and Vishrut. Your third question's on your screens, everybody. Come on, come on, come on. The side of an equilateral triangle is 1 by 2 centimeters. The perimeter of the triangle is what? Side of an equilateral triangle is given. You have to find the perimeter. And it's easy, no? I know. Amazing, guys. Amazing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is a time up. Look at that. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will give you 3 by 2. Let us look at the leaderboard. We have Bhavesh, Mayank, Vikyat, Kritishna, Rishi, Krishna, Rudransh, Bhavishya, Kanishka and Vishrut. Good job, everybody. Your fourth question's on your screen. 150 grams is equal to how many kg? Come on, come on, come on. जल्दी में wrong हो गया. आई जल्दी क्यों है भाई? हम कहाँ भाग रहे हैं यहाँ से? 150 grams is equal to how many kgs? बहुत टाइम दिया यार सवाल करने के लिए तो है ना? So much time you have. Amazing again. Amazing, guys. So 1000 grams is 1 kg. So 150 grams will be 150 by 1000. 3 zeros are there. We will move the decimal point towards the right side. Sorry, towards the left side. So 3 digits matlab 0, 5 and 1. So it will become 0.15 kg. Let's look at the leaderboard. We have Bhavesh, Rishi, Vikyat, Mayank, Bhavishya, Rudransh, Manya, Arpita, Nasreen and Kritishna. बहुत सारे नए नए नाम है यार. Very amazing. So Bhavesh is going to win. Let us see. The last question is here. A car runs 20 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 by 4 liters of petrol? 40 seconds. Awesome, awesome. I can see you. You guys answering in the live chat also. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Hurry up. थोड़ा लेंदी है, पर बहुत थोड़ा लेंदी है. ठीक है? Four, three, 2, 1. That's a time up. Look at that. Look at that. You people have mastered fractions and decimals today. Very well done, guys. And we have Bhavesh as the winner, Rishi in the second position, and Vikyat in the third position. Very amazing, guys. Very amazing. Good job, I should say. So we have learned about the different types of fractions, converting proper to improper, improper to proper, comparison of fractions, add, subtract, multiply, divide of fractions, and same thing with decimals. How do we multiply and divide decimals? Very important, right? With this, we have come to the end of the session. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. This is your master teacher, Haripriya, signing off. We will meet it again tomorrow. Tomorrow, there will be a session which will be premiered for grade 6th. Data handling hoga, so please jaake dekh lena. ठीक है? Okay? On triangles, please. अच्छा, next sprint Anvay will be on symmetry. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे. ठीक है? Okay? Okay? चलो.